this is Maddie from Modular Target Systems, and today we're going to be talking about how to track progress in dryfire. Now, the biggest thing here is to keep it simple and consistent. If it's too complicated, you're straight up not going to do it. If it's consistent, you'll start seeing patterns over time, which is where the real progress happens. Now, the first major thing is having a plan when you go into your dryfire session. You want to use your data from your live fire training to define what you need to do in dryfire. Live fire basically just reveals what's actually happening. So for example, are you missing reloads? Are you missing your grip on the draw? Are you hitting no shoots? What's going on? These are not problems that you fix on the range. These are problems that you fix in dry fire. Use the live fire to diagnose your weaknesses, see where the gaps are, and then bring those exact issues back to dry fire, hammer them out, and then retest them. Any sort of dry fire without direction is basically just wasting your time and fidgeting around with the gun. You really want to target the stuff that's breaking under pressure. And how you do that is through defining performance standards. So it's not just about doing the drills, it's about knowing what good looks like. And you can only really do this if you have accurate data, both time-wise and accuracy-wise. We recommend investing in a shot timer so that you're not just guessing, you're able to actually track real and measurable progress. Now, the nice thing is that you can either set your own standard or you can look online and see what other shooters are doing. So a good example of this would be doing a skill in dry fire under time. Once you can hit that standard consistently 10 out of 10 times, taking it to the live fire range, testing it, seeing if you can still maintain that standard under that pressure. If it holds up, that's progress, that's your new baseline. And if it breaks down, that's just feedback that you can bring back to your dry fire. Standards should be worked towards in increments, not all at once. So take it in small steps, make sure you master it at each increment before moving on. It's also extremely helpful to use video as a benchmark because sometimes what you feel is different from what's actually happening. Again, a shot timer, a $15 tripod, and your phone will do wonders for your shooting performance. An easy way to do this is simply by recording the same drill a week apart with a bunch of reps in between and comparing the two and seeing if you see any differences. So to summarize, you want to use what you see in live fire to define what you need to work on in dry fire. You need to set performance standards to make sure that you're tracking data and you're actually working towards a specific goal. And in order to work towards that goal, you need to use tools such as shot timers and a tripod to make sure that you're staying on track. We hope you found this video helpful and we hope you subscribe for more dry fire educational content.